Change the motor with the rail, new safety sensors. That's it. We're replacing this motor with this left master. Already changed the sensors, running the sensor wires, and that's it. Now we're gonna take off the old motor. Take off all the sensor wiring. And take it off. New wiring, new motor. So I can grease the motor. That's why you don't need to lubricate the chain. With this grease, it lasts very long time. The MyQ. Change the motor with the rail, new safety sensors. That's it.